Jill, here's Skyboat. I have a tendency to slow my meter down. It's a problem I have, so hopefully I won't do it this time. So I'm going to play it unison, then take the part, and then play it to the end. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, play. Okay, so I'll practice these more, but you didn't DC Fine on that. You just stopped, as I did too. Sending on.